a few more times just to make sure that the mic is picking up my voice and you can actually hear what I'm saying. So we thought I'd do a precious metals video. So we'll look at gold to start with, because obviously given the crash that's currently occurring, given coronavirus and all the rest of it, the Dow dropping, all that sort of shit. See what precious metals are doing. So price is, in my opinion, reaching for this monthly supply zone. We've got a nice rally base drop. We've removed any sort of supply that would have been around the 16, 18 level. Could see price pushing up. Obviously we're at sort of all-time highs really. I don't know if going back, this chart doesn't go back anywhere longer than 2007, but quite a clear area that price is pushing for on the monthly. And as you can see, we've had sort of this rally base. So on the weekly, let's have a little look. Areas that price could be pushing to. So the extremes, we're looking at this sort of area here, and then we've got this rally base drop rise up at the top of the chart as well. So a few areas that price could be pushing for. I think at the extremes we go there. Let's just drop a line in to see where price has pushed on the weekly. Yeah, so we've got what would probably have a lot of stops around this area just because of the equal high. That's the last area price drop. So you could see price push through this level at the 1800, spike up into the 1900 area before a possible retrace. On the daily, let's just have a little look and see what is going on. So on the daily, the first sort of area that's jumping out for maybe a pullback is going to be this area here. However, although we've got a nice break of this bearish engulfing here, the amount of time that price is spent here leads me to think that price could drop a lot lower. But that would be the first area I'd be watching. From there, we've then got this demand on the daily at around the 1460 area. However, again, you've got a lot of sort of equal lows there where stops could be sat below, stops could be sat below. So price could push lower before moving up. So on the 4 hour, just to sort of have a little look if there's anything else that's really jumping out at me. So on the 4 hour, you've got this area down at 1400. So there's a couple of levels that price could come back to. First and foremost, though, we'd be looking at sort of the 1550 level. See how price reacts. If it breaks lower, we could then see price down back to 1460. Silver. So silver has been sort of more sideways, really, although we've seen some recent moves up. What you have got, which is initially jumping out, are these equal lows here. So again, there could be stops here, price could be pushing below, and also we've got these equal highs, and you'll see that at the moment price is sort of just in this channel realistically. First area of demand that I'm looking at where price could pull back to on the monthly is at the 14 or just shy of 15 cents level. On the upside, we've got the extremes. There's a little demand area here, supply I should say, not demand, supply, at the, what's that, 29 cents, which is quite a jump. Let's have a look on the weekly, see what is going on. So on the weekly, we've got more of this drop base rally area here. And there's sort of tested supply zone. But again, the cleanest supply I can see is this rally-based drop over here. So at around the 21 cents level, but on the daily, we'll just have a quick look down. We're coming into this daily demand, so this is going to be the first area to look for. See how price reacts. We've got this drop-based rally here, and depending on how price reacts there, because again we have got equal lows sort of around here, so you've got this action where price could push down immediately extremes just because of how quick price moved. You'd have, I'd say, a better opportunity to buy at sort of the 1660 level on silver. We have created on the daily, though, this rally-based drop. So, again, at the moment, it does appear that although silver is, from all the other videos I've been watching around silver, we are, still struggling, and there's probably a lot of price manipulation. But if price can break this 19 cents level, then we've got the supply up here, first of all, at the 1925 to sort of 1960, 1970. But as you can see, it has predominantly been a sort of sideways movement. Although we're moving up, it's sort of been grinding. It's not exactly been moving in leaps and bounds. So that is all for now on silver and gold. We'll see where we're looking. So looking at reactions from this demand on silver and on gold, it's seeing if price will push higher and break these highs. So for now, we'll leave it there and see what happens.